Hello guys, hello to my beautiful ladies out there. Welcome back to the channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful, amazing hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. Please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. Please don't forget to put on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video or fashion style trendy video that you will love. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Keep on watching Stylish Baby TV. So into this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful short cornrows and styles that you can rock. This hairstyle is so beautiful, they're so unique. This hairstyle is so short that you can rock them with different colorful beads. This hairstyle is so amazing, and these hairstyles are so lovely. They're not stressful at all. This, if you're looking for a beautiful short hairstyle that you could rock to that wonderful event of yours, this video is definitely for you. Please, I would love you to watch the video to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.